Air. It is all around us. We can't see it, but we can feel it. And sometimes even smell it. Hi, I'm Anaya. Let's talk about air. Air is present all around the earth, like a blanket. Air has weight. We don't feel it because we were born into it, and we don't realize it. It's like asking a fish, how much does the water weigh? But air has weight. It takes up space. I can prove it. Here I have two balloons. They are both of equal size and weight as the scale shows, and they are both full of air. Let's see what happens when I remove the air out of one of the balloons. With these scissors, I am going to make a small hole in the balloon. Compare this balloon with this one. Air, no air. The scale is tipped to the balloon that has air. Air has weight. Here I have a tub and a glass. For this experiment, we need to fill this tub with water. Now I'm going to take this glass and submerge it inside the tub. To show you that air occupies space, I'm going to let some air bubbles escape. Now, to show you this experiment better, I'm going to take this tissue, crumple it up, stuff it inside this glass, and now I will submerge it in the tub. Well, it should be wet, right? No, it's dry. This is because the air was surrounding the tissue. Since there was no room in the glass, the water didn't go in. Air can expand and can be compressed. And when it's compressed, it fights back and can exert a force. You have to see this. Now I'm going to show you the property that air possesses, expansion and compression, using all of this. I take this straw, block the other end, and dip it into this test tube filled with colored water, like so. Now I'll take this cork and put the straw through it, like so. Now I take this cork and insert it inside this flask, like so. Now I will place this beaker over a flame. As you can see, the water droplet is moving outward. This is because the air is pushing on the water droplet. The air is expanding because of the heat. Here I have a syringe and a piece of foam. Now I'm filling the syringe with air. I will now stick the piece of foam in front of the syringe. Now let's push the plunger forward. The compressed air exerted a force on the foam, which pushed it away. Look at me doing another experiment using these ingredients: a water bottle, a straw, a balloon, colored water, and some plastic tubes. Now I'm going to fill this bottle up with colored water. Now I'm going to take the straw and place it on the side. See this balloon? Now it's filled with air, and I place it on the opening of the bottle. Let's see what happens when I let the air into the bottle. The water was pushed out of the bottle into the flask because the air exerted a force that pushed it all out. Ta-da! So now we know a lot about air. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe.
Let's do that again.
Okay.
The video?